Hello everyone, winter is here, and your skin needs some extra attention during these cold months. In this video, we'll talk about the best ways to protect and nourish your skin through winter. First, let's talk about products. Look for a rich moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid or glycerin to maintain hydration. Add a protective balm for those extra chilly and windy days. Next, don't forget about sunscreen. Just because it's winter doesn't mean you can skip it. Sun protection is vital all year round. For facials, opt for a hydrating or oxygen facial. These treatments help replenish moisture and boost circulation, giving your skin a radiant glow. Besides products and treatments, remember to drink lots of water and incorporate omega fatty acids into your diet for overall skin health. Finally, avoid long, hot showers as they can dehydrate your skin. Instead, aim for lukewarm water and apply your moisturizer right after bathing. By following these tips, your skin will stay soft, supple, and glowing throughout winter. Let's embrace the season with confidence.